Hi, it's Ambritt from Louisville Public Library. Today we're going to do some crafting. There will be a grab bag the first Monday of the month, every month. That'll correspond with that Saturday's video. If you could please leave us a comment in this video, we'd really appreciate it. It truly does help us. Just let us know how many people are watching at home and if you enjoyed the video. Alright, let's do some crafting. Hi, so this week's video is our grab bag craft. Today we're going to be making a DIY easy dry erase board made out in a frame. Grab bags will look just like this. They will not be in a bag since they're a little too big to put in a bag. So you'll have your instruction sheet there. There's two little cutout pieces of leaf and a bird, just embellishments, and then there's a piece of paper in there, that creamy yellow, and that is your background color. And you can swap it out for another color piece of paper, but I recommend you don't use something super dark or super busy because you want to be able to draw on the glass with your dry erase marker and be able to see what you've drawn on. So I recommend like a light color, something not too busy that has print on it. So yeah, alright, let's get started. Okay, so once again, this is our grab bag craft. So if you get the frame at the library, it'll just come like this. It will not be in a bag. And all you're gonna need extra is some sort of like tape and then either like a butter knife or scissors to open the back, little like the metal parts. But you don't have to have that, it just comes in handy. So really some like tape is all you're going to actually need. Otherwise, if you want to make this at home, you do need a frame. You can get these for $1 at places like Dollar Tree. You can get a little nicer ones at the store, you know, anywhere from like 5, 10, and of course up. And then you will need some paper to put inside. You could use any kind of paper. You could even use like scrapbook paper with designs on it. I would recommend though, if you do that, do something that doesn't have a lot of design on it. It's pretty, you still want something in the background to be basic so that when you're drawing on it with your marker that you can see what you're drawing. And then I have a little leaf cutout and a bird. That's just like for embellishments. You don't have to do anything quite like that. You could do something completely different, but it's just to kind of zhuzh it up a little. So the first thing you want to do is open your frame. And again, everything will already be inside for you if you get one at the library. So I'm just going to take this back off. And this is the paper that is inside that I've provided. Just a basic kind of cream yellow. But you could do any other color if you looking for something different. And then the little embellished pieces, these are cut out on our Cricut, which you can use and make an appointment at the library if you would like. But again, you do not have to do it that way. You could print something off of the computer, freehand draw something, or you could even embellish it with something you have around the house, like a magnet, buttons, really anything. So it'll be like this, empty. I'm gonna keep this frame that's inside. It's the this white here. You can take it out if you like, but I'm going to keep it in there because this paper is sized just to fit. So you set your paper in there, and you can tape this down if you would like, just to make sure it doesn't move. I'm not going to tape mine, but you can tape yours. And then kind of figure out where you want it on the inside, your little bird and leaf. I'm going to go ahead and put the bird near the bottom. I'm just going to set him in there. And you'll take some tape and just carefully tape him. Just need a small piece of tape. So I have taped him to that little piece of cardboard that's in there. That's this white you see on the border. I've just taped him to that instead of taping the glass so you don't see the tape. And then you need to figure out where to put the leaf. If you like, you can turn it around and kind of see. Yeah, I kind of want it at this corner at the top right-hand corner. And same thing, I'm just going to take the rest of that tape that I have and tape it to, once again, the cardboard that's on the inside. So now it can't go anywhere. And then take your paper and set that in there. If you want to tape it in, you can. And then put back cardboard back the kind of parts. So just set that in there, and then take your butter knife or scissors, and you can just carefully push back those little metal pieces that kind of keep the frame together. Make sure those are nice and secure. Oh, and then you flip it over and see. That's really cute. I like that. And of course, this is your instruction sheet that comes inside, so you don't really need that, and you know, unless you're making it and you just want to see. But let me grab a marker here. So you just need a marker for whiteboard. So just dry erase marker, any kind, any colors, and then you can test it out. So let's see. You can put whatever you want on this. I just put list. I just put like apples, just for an example. Of course, then it easily, I'll show you, erases off. Just like on a dry erase marker, which is really nice, comes out really nice. If you ever leave something on too long and you find it's hard to get off, you can always use some Windex, household cleaner, just, you know, spray it on there and scrub it off with just like a paper towel. So yeah, you could put this in your kitchen, in a room. Now it doesn't have the thing to make it, you know, sit up. So it does have the little things you could hang it if you would like. But what I'm probably gonna do is prop this up in the kitchen somewhere. So you could do that. Or again, you could use these, or you could buy like, they have those different little kits. Very inexpensive, just for hanging. You could even use command strips, probably, just because this is so light. If you used one in each corner, you would be good to go. Okay, so I really hope you enjoyed, and if you make this, please send us pictures on our Facebook page at LPL Library. Thanks for watching our video today. I really hope you enjoyed it, and please leave us a comment below. Okay, stay safe out there and mask up.